You got to keep in mind that when you're going out there and searching for affiliate programs, you got to make sure that they're value based and that they have a very good compensation plan. You want to make sure also that there's a chance for tier 2. That way you can create leverage in your business. So whatever affiliate program that you choose out there, make sure that it's value based. Make sure that whatever that affiliate program is, whatever they're selling, it's giving value to your target audience, whoever that might be, and it's something that they're looking for. And how do you know if it's something that they're looking for? Well, first of all, you got to make sure that you know what your target audience wants. If you don't know the answer to that question, it's going to be hard for you to look for affiliate programs that are going to be aligning with their interests. So when you take the time to study your target market, to study your niche, and you figure out their pains and challenges and what they're searching for, that's going to help you determine what affiliate programs would be right for them. I'll give you an example. So let's say your target audience is other affiliate marketers, right? And let's say you're looking for an affiliate program that can help a struggling and broke affiliate marketer learn marketing. Now, what kind of affiliate program would you find? You would find one that gives them the education that they need in order to build their skill sets, and it allows them to earn while they learn. And then there's also a chance for tier 2. Now, not all affiliate programs that you select will need to have tier 2. You just need to at least have one affiliate program in your array of offers that actually has tier 2 compensation plan. Now, once you have that, you can actually just find other affiliate programs that are going to be of value and relevance to what they're looking for. And another thing is, when you find those affiliate programs, make sure that whoever you sign up with is actually going to help you, actually cares about your success. What is really disheartening about the affiliate marketing industry is people will get signed up with whoever, and then once they sign up, they won't get the help that they need. After they pay up to sign up, what ends up happening is they don't get what they pay for. They don't get the education that they were expecting. And I know a lot of people out there who are struggling because they got ripped off by somebody who made them empty promises. So make sure that whoever you sign up with actually has your best interest in succeeding and actually helping you become a marketer, not just another sleazy affiliate.